Beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make your pink lip scrub. All right, so here in my bowl I have white sugar, and I'll just make this really fast. So this is white sugar, so you can also use brown sugar if you have brown sugar at home. You can also use brown sugar and white sugar to combo together. So here in my here is my white sugar. All right, I won't be adding brown sugar, but you can add brown sugar. You can as well combine both. All right, so next what I'll be adding into my white sugar is my lemon juice. So this, you can use the fresh lemon, okay, if you want to add preservative, but I don't want to add preservative to this mix. So that's why I'm using this already preserved lemon juice. This is 100% fresh lemon juice. So if you have the fresh lemon, you want to use the fresh lemon, you can use the fresh lemon, then you know you have to add preservative. But if you have this one, it's good because it's already preserved. So I'm just going to be adding about 4 spoons of the lemon juice to the sugar. So I'll set this to see if the consistency is okay to what I want. If it's not, I'm still going to add more. But before I do that, I'll add other stuffs before I think of adding the lemon juice again. So this is the consistency of this. Alright, this doesn't really have measurement. You can just make it mix, and when it gets to the consistency you want, then that's fine. Alright, I'm using about 150 grams of sugar. So next I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of my honey. Honey is really thick, so it's been in the fridge. So I'm adding one, then I'm going to add again. I'm going to press it. So if you check my page, you will see I've already made video of pink lips balm. Okay, how to make your pink lips balm. That's a very effective pink lips balm. So if you're still wondering on how to make your scrub very effective, just sell this scrub or the pink lips balm I made. You can check my channel, you can check down the videos, you'll see the video for pink lips balm. Okay, so that's my sugar and honey, honey and lemon mix in my bowl. Let me get it close to the camera so you see the color. Okay, so next I'm going to be adding shea butter. I just adding little for moisturization. All right, I'm adding about this quantity of shea butter, so it will also help, moisturize the lips. That's my shea butter in it. I've added my shea butter for moisturizing. So next, of your choice. Well, the quantity of scrub I'm making is very little, just for illustration, or what do we call it. So I'm going to be adding just one of the sachet pick. So you can use any brand of milk of your choice. Every product is already preserved, so I'm trying as much as possible not to add preservative to my scrub. Right. So now I can add more lemon juice. Now that I've added everything, I'll add more lemon juice to liquidate it. So like I said, it doesn't really have measurement. All you have to do is just add to the consistency you want, and the lemon juice will help take off dark stain on your lips, lighten your lips, okay, to help with the pink lips balm. So really lighten your lips will be very pinkish and young looking. And there's this thing about having a bright face and your lips is dark, doesn't look good at all. So you need a pink lips set. That's a scrub, the pink lips cream, and a moisturizing balm to keep your lips beautiful all year round. So you can see the consistency is really lovely. It's really lovely. So if you want your own a little lighter, you can also still add the lemon juice, okay, but I like mine like this, so it will be easy to just use on your lips to scrub off dead skin. When you're using a scrub like this, it contains honey, contains lemon to brighten your lips, okay. It will brighten your lips, make your lips really succulent. Then you now apply the pink lips balm. This scrub will help your pink lips balm work very well. So next I'll be adding my coloring, okay. This is optional, you can just make yours without adding the color, right? But I just want to add the color to make it more beautiful and appealing. So I'm gonna add my coloring to this, okay. I'm using this brand of coloring. I don't know if the sticker is off. It's an old one. I've had this. You know, one beautiful thing about this brand, you will use and get tired of using it. It doesn't run out that easily. So it's very good, and it keeps the color as long as. Right, so I just added very little. I still have some in the spoon, so I will just mix up. If I want more, then I'll just add it. So it seems like I added too much. So what I will do if I feel it's too much is to add more sugar, add more lemon juice, add more honey. Just look at the color. It looks beautiful. Okay, I think it's perfect. I don't need to add sugar. The color is very perfect. So lastly, what I'm going to be adding is my strawberry fragrance oil. I'm just going to be adding a few drops of this just to give it a beautiful, to smell really beautiful and eatable. So that's all. To make your lip scrub is really simple. It's not difficult, and you can see everything contained in this lip scrub is all natural products. They are all things you can actually eat. Okay, so it's very safe. This is the shea butter. I have to still mix this properly. So it's perfect now, and it smells beautiful. Trust me, it smells beautiful. You can see the consistency, you can see the color is just perfect. So all you have to do is in the morning, as you're brushing your teeth, you take, after brushing your teeth, you use a toothbrush to take some of the scrub, or if you don't want to stain your toothbrush after brushing your teeth, you take the scrub from you take a little of the scrub in your finger and use it to scrub your lips. After scrubbing your lips, you rinse it off, then you pat dry, then you apply your pink lips balm, then follow up with a lip moisturizing balm. All right, and you have the perfect lips. Mostly in this Harmattan period, this is very important to have this, a pink lips kit, to keep your lips moisturized and beautiful. You don't want to wake up every morning having a crack looking lips. If also at night, before you go to bed, you scrub your lips, apply your pink lips balm, apply your moisturizing balm, or after the pink lips balm, so you wake up in the morning having your lips really moisturized, beautiful and pinkish, without this flaky stuff that normally happen during the dry out period of the year, which is this period. The weather is really dry, so you need to use this product, your lip scrub, your pink lips balm. I made a video of pink lips balm. You can check on my video, the list of my YouTube videos. You will see the pink lips balm, and also you get a lip balm in the morning, having your lips really moisturized, beautiful and pinkish, without this flaky stuff that normally happen during the dry out period of the year, which is this period. The weather is really dry, so you need to use this product, your lip scrub, your pink lips balm. I made a video of pink lips balm. You can check on my video, the list of my YouTube videos. You will see the pink lips balm, and also you get a lip balm to apply, a moisturizer to apply after the pink lips balm to keep your lips really supple. You go to bed, do this morning and night. In 7 days, your lips will be very pinkish. Even if you smoke, even if no matter how dark your lips are already, this will help lighten your lips like really fast within 7 days. And also you will not have those flaky and dry looking lips. Your lips will always look moisturized morning and night. Use it morning, night, so to get faster results. So this is all for today's video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. Here we talk about skincare, beauty tips, we make review of amazing products, we do DIYs, that's a lot of things to benefit your skin and beauty routine. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, join this wonderful family, share with your friends as well so they will benefit from this amazing recipe. Thanks, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.